Hi, this is Dorothy Kilty, and I am fortunate to be part of Rach and Bella Crafts 100 Days of Junk Journaling Idea Challenge for the 100 days. And she has the most gorgeous kits that she has created for us to use. Lovely papers, lots of different things in them. We've got pockets, we've got tags, we've got beautiful cards and things. This is just all different kinds of designs and things. They're just beautiful. Now, I am not up this month. I'll be having my day next month in April. But meanwhile, I just wanted to show you kind of, first of all, tell you about it. Please go see week 1, week 2, and week 3, and week 4 with all these fabulous creators. I am not going to name them all. I will say that week 4, week 3 includes Antonio's, Mimi's Keepsakes, Scrapbooking with Me, Little Nest Crafts, Shabby Doodah, Raindrop Lila, The Treasured Page, G-Care, Visualized NZ, and of course, Rach and Bella. So lots of wonderful things to do. Now, I am working on a cover, and I have this piece of quilting. I bought this quilt at a yard sale many years ago, but the bottom, it was very, very cheap because the bottom had been chewed up by a dog. And I can see right now there's a little place where it's been mended there. I may mend it some more. But anyway, I wanted to use it. And at first I was thinking about using it as a base of slow stitching, but it's so beautiful by itself. I don't want to do anything with it. And so then I thought, well, I'll turn over this and use this on the inside. This is actually going to be the inside of my journal. So once the stitching is so beautiful, again, I didn't want to completely cover it up. So I just, figure out the size, and I'm going to fold this up like this, so it'll be a couple pockets. And when I figure out exactly what the spine is going to be, this will be cut off in probably about an inch, inch and a half or something down here, so that it folds up. And I'll sew the 2 inner sides here. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this as a tuck or as a close both sides and make it a pocket. But as you can see, I've just got some yo-yos and some doilies that I'm sewing on. These are all vintage. These are not new. This was cut off. Something I love to, when I can find doilies that are torn, so I can use pieces of it and cut them off and use. So these are pinned down, and like I did with this side, this is still lifted up. I'm finishing this, but each layer is sewn down all the way. So I sewed all around this and each of these doilies, and then this piece I'll lift these off and sew each of them down and then pin them back down again. The way it is, a lot of times I'll take a picture of what I've got so I can use that. But I think this is going to be a gorgeous cover. I might add a little bit of lace to the edges here, just to finish it off. I might, I don't know. It's so pretty. I don't want to do much of anything to it. So that's the bottom line. Anyway, this is going to be a cover. And I think it's beautiful. I think the kit is beautiful. There will be a link to the kits below and information on all of the people who are part of this collab. It's really a fabulous group, and the things that have been created so far have just been wonderful. So come join us. Use the hashtag 100 days JJI for Junk Journal Inspiration to see what people are doing. There are giveaways. There's a giveaway every week, and there'll be other giveaways throughout this. And so all you have to do is watch the videos for the week, like and comment on them, and then there'll be a giveaway for that week and also for the end. So please join us. Thank you.